Surprise! Yay! Hi, Amani. Wow, what is it? Is it a surprise?
Yeah!
Check it out, guys. Yay! Surprise!
Surprise!
Would you like to see what's in your surprise, Amani?
Can you open it?
Yeah. Shall we have a look? Wow, what is it? Check it out, guys. Amani, what is it?
Quad!
Is it a pink quad?
Yeah! I stuck at this pink quad.
Yay! Is it a pink quad?
So we see what's in it.
Is it a girl's quad?
So we see.
Okay.
I can show it.
What's inside, Amani? Wow, check it out, guys. What's that?
Stickers.
Stickers, nicey. And the instruction manual. Ooh, what's that, Amani?
A charger.
Charger and the handlebar. And what else is in the box? Wow, check it out. Whoa. Do you need help? Okay.
Yeah, have my back.
Oh, yay! Check it out. Wow. Hey, the wheels are already on. Check out the pink quad. Hey, are you getting in the box? Hey, what's that? Who's in the box? Come out.
Knock knock.
Hey, Amani's in the box. Hi. Yay!
It's black and white and yellow and
Purple.
purple.
Yay! And there's the car, guys. Check it out.
This feels like a car.
Okay. So, where's the charger? Oh, there's the charger.
Let me open the charger.
It's a 6-volt
You
pink
do this.
EVO Quad with rechargeable charger.
Let me open it and see what's inside in this.
Okay. Yay! Check it out, guys.
Check
That
it out,
looks so
guys.
cool. Okay, guys. Ooh, look at that. It's already done for us. The wheels are already stuck on. Look. Okay, so what would we have to do? We have to put the wire on and the handlebar.
Let me.
Well done. Wow, beautiful.
Where's the handlebar?
Put on the handlebar. Yeah. Well done. Amani is decorating her pink quad, guys. 6-volt EVO Quad.
EVO Quad.
Yeah, it's a brum brum.
Can I help you?
Check it out. Ooh, thank you. Where did this go, Amani?
Huh?
Where did this sticker go? Ooh, I think I know where it goes.
I know where it goes.
It's over here.
I stuck in the knees.
Get another one. Yay, check it out, guys. Amani's pimped out pink quad. Brum brum. Okay. Here.
Let's wait for it to charge. Let's go for a drive.
Hi. Let's turn you around. Turn you around. Drive it back, Amani. Brum brum. Has it got no reverse button? It's just forward button, guys. Whoa, check it out, guys.
Look, can I drive it in the park?
Yeah.
Now, Liz.
Oh, yeah.
I got me. That's my rainbow teddy bear.
Does your rainbow teddy bear want to go for a drive?
So we take you for a drive.
Okay. Okay, guys. Amani wants to take her rainbow teddy for a drive. Whoa, check it out.
Whoa! Ah, the plastic! You!
Go right in that corner, Amani. Go. Oh no! Rainbow's falling! Catch her!
Oh no, she's hanging off the tail.
Hi, Rainbow! Okay, guys, Rainbow wants to go for a ride! Hi! Okay, Amani, drive! Go! Go! Yay! Come on, Amani! Go! Vroom, vroom! Let's go to the pond. Check out the fishes. Check it out, guys. Pink EVO Quad. Whoa! Vroom, vroom! Stay on the path. Chase me, chase me. Ah! Chase me, chase me.
Flyers!
Ooh, it's quite fast.
Flyers! Flyers!
Look, Amani, look. Look what's on my head. Oh. Chase me, Amani! Crash into me! Ah! Look, look!